Art and design, creating a cartoon character. To get started, you're going to want to use the Sketchbook app, and you can either use a photo of yourself or the template that the teacher's given you. Open up Gallery, press the little plus sign, New from Image, and then Import Photo. This will take you to your iPad photos and choose whichever image that you want to work with. So the first thing we want to do is resize it. You can do that using 2 fingers. And on the right hand side, we're going to want to add a new layer. So to do that, you just press the little plus sign at the top. Click on the layer that has the girl's face and you're going to lower the opacity. Once that's done, you can go back to the layer that you've just created and we're going to draw on top of the picture. Okay. So you're going to go to your tools and you're going to find the technical pen and take it down to anywhere between 0.1 and 0.5. From here, we're going to start drawing in our cartoon face. So you can do some research and decide if you want to do an anime, if you want to just do a generic cartoon, it's up to you. But we're going to draw on top of the girl's face, adding in the jawline, a little line for the lips, the nostrils, and I'm going to go for an anime-esque eye. So to do this, I'm going to just trace over the top line, but obviously make it much bigger. And I'm going to make the pupil and the iris really big and add in some little extra lines, which will become like flecks of light. Okay, I'm going to do both. Okay, don't forget you have a rubber, so if you make a mistake, you can always go back and fix it up. So I've added in my eyelashes. I'm then going to just have a look and think if I want to add in any little extra lines, like I'm going to put some little smile lines next to her face. And then I think I'm going to add in her eyebrows. So again, do some research. There's lots of different ways you can do the eyebrows. I'm going to make mine quite thin. The nice thing is, because you've got the picture underneath, you can kind of follow the line of the natural face. Same goes with the hair, so I'm going to think about what kind of style. Most kind of animes and cartoons have kind of jagged, long fringes, so I'm going to go with that type of style. So I'm just going to roughly draw in the fringe and then follow the rest of the hair. Okay, you can do it either way, so I might change the parting. Try it in the opposite way. That's a bit better. You can add anything else into this, so if you want to add headphones, flowers, whatever you want, a big bow, I might add in some earmuffs. It's up to you how detailed you want to make this. You can go in and zoom in and do lots of fine details, or you can keep it quite simple like I'm doing just now. So once you've created the hair, you can go in and add any of the details you want, but it's quite nice to look at the cartoon without the girl's face underneath. So to do this, you just click on the little picture on the bottom layer. You'll see that there is a little kind of eye symbol. If you click the eye symbol, she'll disappear and then you can see the drawing that you've created. It's at this point, if you go back to your top layer, you can then change it. So you can change the lips, the nose, the shape of the face, add or take away any details that you want. You can do all of this without having to use a pen. You can use your finger, you just need to zoom in much more. And then if that's you happy with it, that's fine. You can just keep it as is, and then like save it and upload it to assignments. If you want to add colour, there is a second video to watch which shows you how to add the layers for colour.